Okay, first try here. Simon Danborg with TheSport.Fit, just doing a quick walkthrough of our document generation features we have on here. So I just finished a meeting with Gretchen from the IF3. I am in my admin back end dashboard here, and I'm just going to literally go to my meeting minutes here. And then I'm going to toggle full transcript because that's what I use. I use a program called, what do I use? It's called, it says on there somewhere, Tactiq. You get 10 free meetings a month, does your transcripts. So I'm just going to go grab my latest transcript with Gretchen. So it's literally just a giant text file. It's literally a transcript of the call that we just had talking about things. I'm going to hit that button. It's going to take up to a minute. So it is now reading the full transcript, and then what it's going to do is it's going to fully populate this, make that little so you can see better, fully populate standardized template of our meeting minutes, which once it's done, I can edit a little bit after if I want to. If it gets anything wrong, we can take a peek and tweak it a little bit, and then I'm going to save a PDF directly from there. So we'll give this a minute. If you have any errors with anything that you're doing, you're just going to click this little bug button. I'm not going to click it right now as I don't know if that'll interrupt its process here. It shouldn't, but we're not going to find out the hard way. So again, I am on full transcript mode. I just uploaded. I have done nothing to it. It is just a transcript from the call that we just had. And it is going through and doing a full analysis of that. And I will speed through this, but yeah, could take a minute, 2 minutes tops. Go away, come back. Still a lot faster than doing it yourself. All right, so we got minutes generated. It names it based on partially what I had the document named. I always name my things like that. Ritual, all right, Simon demoed. So executive summary, here's what went on. I can adjust it. Great. If I want to rename who we are, but that's fine. It got us. It's actually correct. Figured out that Laurent was supposed to be there, but we couldn't get him in on the meeting, so that's fine. Little tone and dynamics, just kind of general overview, and then it runs through each thing discussed. So we talked about the teaching stuff. We talked about sport accord requirements, how many federations we've got. The page lines aren't perfect. That's all right. We talked about the core demos, what's going on, decision of agreement with each one. So it's going to always break down the same way. Main topics discussed, and then any decisions made between us, what we discussed about, what we talked about. So we talked about the Olympic stuff, and then action items to finish up. And things to do, what we're going on, what's going on about there. And then this will also, again, unresolved stuff that's still going on, strategic conversations. And we can tweak this prompt to spit out whatever you want, but then it's kind of next steps and give you a summary there. So that looks great to me. Got all the basics correct. I'm going to hit download PDF, and that's going to make that into a document for me. So that's just going to spit that out as a branded PDF. I have a place where I save all of mine. And then great, and it's auto named just like all my other ones. That gets saved there. Now the next bonus, which not everybody will have, but what I can do, what I use for my administration on the back end here, is I can now pop this document open in our document assistant analysis, and it'll actually compare all of our meeting notes up against our to-dos, our tasks, our projects, our boards, committees, etc. And then it's going to recommend who should have access to this document, who might want to be notified. So you can't see it there, but it is analyzing right now. If you're just using this directly, copy and paste a public document for an example of what this can do. Okay, and there we go. So again, it takes about 2 minutes, but when you see what it's doing, you can understand why. So this summarizes the document that we just uploaded, which was our meeting minutes, everything we talked about going on there. And so now it brings up, okay, what committees is this related to or not? And then it'll explain why it believes that. So support of the platform that I'm pitching is related to communications, and operations and sanctioning, yeah, event management tools, services and safety. Yeah, I'd say less or so. Technical officials, definitely. And then related projects, athlete ranking system, not so much. Movement standards database, yes. And again, it gives it, yes, great. And then tasks, if it wants to be linked to. And so these are existing tasks that we had, and those are all valid. And then people, I'm actually going to, well, no, shell code doesn't need to be involved. So recommendations of who involved. And then if we want to add new items. And honestly, that's a good one. That's just something, this is great. Schedule follow-up meeting, also fair. And then that's also, new project. Yeah, if we want to do that, because I have them, yeah, we're doing it. And we're going to click apply. And then this is going to update all the relevant tasks. It'll associate this document with them. And then now when we go to our projects, tasks, etc. pages, so that document would appear, whatever projects we just tagged, it would show up. Well, we didn't tag that one, whatever would show up here, it would tag it with our projects and stuff there. So again, that is our document generator.